And the rough. Early lead is taken by Celestial by the rail. Golden Money on the farther outside. It's Celestial, Golden Money. Nice and easy running in third. Douglas Charm, Careless Whisper. And at the mid-back stretch, Golden Money on the outside. Celestial by the rail in second. Nice and easy running in third by a length and a half. Douglas Charm, Speed to Riches, and Careless Whisper. And at the far turn, it's Golden Money by 2.5 lengths, followed by Nice and Easy on the outside in second, and Celestial by the rail in third. Douglas Charm moving up in the inside, Speed to Riches, and Careless Whisper. The last bend for home, it is still Golden Money. That's entry number 1A, leading the field, followed by Douglas Charm by the rail. Nice and Easy moving up on the outside, Speed to Riches, and Celestial. And at the top of the stretch, Golden Money on the outside, and Douglas Charm moving up on the inside. It is now Douglas Charm by the rail, Golden Money, Nice and Easy on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line is still Douglas Charm in the lead, followed by Golden Money, Nice and Easy. And finally at the payoff line, it's Douglas Charm, entry number 1, Golden Money, Speed to Riches, Nice and Easy, Careless Whisper, Celestial.